Welcome to chapter 6, your application of maxima and minima to the problem based upon cylinder. Let us see the question based upon it. We are having here, show that the height of an open cylinder, यहाँ पे आपका cylinder है. You can see here, this is open from here. So we will take only the lower base and this is the height and this is your radius. What will be the टोटल सरफेस एरिया? यहाँ पे आपको दिया है ग्रेटेस्ट वॉल्यूम. पहले आप टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकाल लीजिए. ये आपका हो जाएगा पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर एच और यहाँ से आपका एच हो जाएगा एस माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 पाई आर. वॉल्यूम को हमें मैक्सिमम दिखाना है. वी नो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. Now this becomes V is equal to pi r square. H की जगह पे आप लिख लेंगे S minus pi r square upon 2 pi r. You can see here pi से pi आपका cancel हो जाएगा and we will have here only 1 r. So this becomes V is equal to half. R आप inside into कर लेंगे तो ये S r minus pi r cube. When you make dV upon dr, first time differentiate करेंगे ये आपका हो जाएगा half. This is your S minus 3 pi r square. Making dy dv upon dr is equal to 0. We get S minus 3 pi r square is equal to 0 and S is equal to 3 pi r square. Right? From here your r will be equal to S upon 3 pi and this is your under root. That means r is your positive. Now differentiate second time. This becomes d square v upon dr square. देखिए s आपका कांस्टेंट है तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 0 हो जाएगा. ये आपका हो जाएगा minus 6 v. It is here pi r. So this is equal to minus 6 pi. r की आपने वैल्यू रख दी. That is s upon 3 pi. You can see that this is less than 0. Your second derivative of volume with respect to r is less than 0. Therefore, volume is maximum. Okay. Now from this relation, you can see here, ये जो आपका relation है, from here we can take s की जगह पे आप लिख सकते हो. We can take here. We'll use the same thing. It's given that s is equal to 3 pi r square. s की वैल्यू रख दीजिए. s अपना कितना था? pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 3 pi r square. Now here your 2 pi r h is equal to 2 pi r square. आप देखिए 2 से 2 आपका कैंसिल, pi से आपका pi, यहाँ से एक r आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. We are here with h is equal to r. So the condition given was that when the volume is maximum, for maximum we have shown second derivative less than 0, your height of the open cylinder will be equal to radius of base. So we have seen that height is equal to radius of base. Our next question for discussion is that show that the height of the, you can see that अपने को दिखाना height of the closed right circular cylinder of the given volume and minimum total surface area is equal to its diameter. That means here we have to show that h is equal to 2r. ये अपने को दिखाना है. Moreover, what is given here? Volume is given, right? That means volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now this is equation number 1 and from 1 we can take h is equal to v upon pi r square. Already we have seen the total surface area of the open cylinder. Now in case of closed it will be s is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now s is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r. We can keep the value of h. This becomes v upon pi r square. You can see that pi से pi आपका cancel हो जाएगा. r and r will be cancelled. So we are here with s is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 V upon R. Now when we differentiate S with respect to R, we get ds upon dr is equal to 4 pi r minus 2v upon r square. Okay. Now making ds upon dr is equal to 0, we get 4 pi r, we can take it here, this is 4 pi r is equal to 2v upon r square. You can see that 2 1s are 2 2s are, so your v is equal to 2 pi r cube. Okay. Now differentiating again this function, so this becomes d square s upon dr square. ध्यान दीजिए 4 pi r आपका हो जाएगा 4 pi, this will be minus 2v. Okay. r आपका हो जाएगा r to the power minus 2, so this becomes minus 2r minus 3. So this is equal to 4 pi plus 4v, you can see here, upon r cube. Now we can see here 4 pi plus 4, we can keep the value of v आपका क्या है 2 pi r cube into 2 pi r cube upon r cube. You can get it cancelled. So we are here with 4 pi plus 8 pi. This is equal to 12 pi and this is here greater than 0. You can see that second derivative is positive. Moreover, it's equal to 12 pi. It's greater than 0. So we have shown here that your total surface area of a closed cylinder is minimum as the second derivative is greater than 0. Now we can get the result, that is height is equal to the diameter. You can see here V is equal to 2 pi r cube. यहाँ पे आप अपना वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. What is V here? Pi r square h is equal to 2 pi r cube. You can cancel this pi, r square, so this becomes h is equal to 2r. So here we have shown that height of the closed right circular cylinder is equal to its diameter when the volume is given and the total surface area is minimum. Thank you.